Happy Cinco De Mayo to all my Latino brothers and sisters. This one is for y'all, the frozen Mexican bulldog, coming at you. Happy Cinco De Mayo. Uncle Daddy's Adult Beverages back at you with another one. If you haven't already done so, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. On the menu today, for my Hispanic and Latino brothers and sisters, I salute you. This one's for you, the frozen Mexican bulldog, all gas, no brakes. We going in. These are the ingredients necessary for this drink. We have our blender full of ice. We have 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of Grand Marnier, 1 ounce of simple syrup. Of course, we got to have our Corona bottle. We have 1 ounce of fresh orange juice, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, a salted rimmed glass, and lime wedges to garnish. Alrighty, we have our ice in the blender. Next, the tequila, the Grand Marnier, the simple syrup, the orange juice, lime juice. Next we blend. Now that's the consistency that we're looking for. We're going to pour it into a salted rimmed glass. We're going to add our Corona bottle. Uncle Daddy's Adult Beverages, frozen Mexican bulldog. If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this particular recipe, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for a quality bartender setup? Please use the links that we provide in the video description box below, and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction, only if you make a purchase. We appreciate it. I appreciate you hanging out with us until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more helpful adult beverage recipes and you haven't already done so, and I don't know why you haven't, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Uncle Daddy's Adult Beverages. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, peace.